Hello guys, day 7 of leetcode, and today we're solving the sequel to calendar, which is my calendar 2. I haven't watched the video, yeah, but I think this one basically the problem is you must return false if it's a triple booking compared to my calendar one, which is if it's a double booking return false. So basically double booking will return true or just single booking. In which if they all if all three overlap, then we return false. And I haven't checked the solution yet. I don't bother. I will try to solve this by myself and based on my previous knowledge on my calendar too and the annoying pointers from end to from S dot S comparing to end and then E comparing to start. Like I think I understand it now because the S pointer is pointing to here and the end pointer is pointing to here. No, here. While the end pointer, no, while the S pointer here is pointing to the end pointer here. So SE and then basically compares to the other side. I still don't understand, but okay. So I remember you have to create a constructor here, and NeetCode said we need to construct two in which self dot non overlap non overlap. So this will contain the two overlapping calendars, but not triple. So the non-overlap calendars and assign it empty list and also can create the overlap calendars, which will be the third. I think his intuition was telling my intuition, and he didn't give it to me really. But I think the intuition here is to basically, if you get two, and then when you get the third one, you get you input it in the overlap calendar, and you have to compare if the overlap calendar is between these non-overlapping calendars, which are, although they could be double overlapping, but they're not triple overlapping. So basically, compare the third one with the other two, and if this third one fits into both of these, then it's return false. And so I guess we can check out my previous solution on my calendar so I can have at least some sort of clue on what I'm doing. So let's get my calendar one. And here it is. It's basically this one. So basically, maybe we could start the for loop. So for start, this was probably wrong, but in self dot non overlap calendars. Yeah. Yeah, but we should we assign it from the value of, of no. Could also create a S1, S2 in self dot overlap calendars. Let me guess.
Right
I think this
through
is gonna do, but yeah, I'm gonna watch the video. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. This is a medium
the
problem.
overlapping intervals, because if our current interval that we're trying to book overlaps with any of these, then we just return false immediately. So let's iterate over them. I'm going to
See,
unpack
got
the
it.
start and the
For
end
start
in
and end, screw you.
self.overlapping, and
See?
then I'm going to
Oh, so you attach it from the overlapping. Okay. What the heck? Okay. And then do we create
check.
another for
If
loop?
they're not overlapping, then one of them should end.
Okay, so if and stress then what's less than equal this the start this then equal to 30. Wait, is that correct? 30 and let's say 39 yung ending. Yeah, that's correct. I think that's correct. Yeah, that's good.
before the other one starts. So either this is true or this is true.
Yeah, or the ano. Yeah, but this is correct.
Now, if neither of these are true, then they
There's
do
not.
overlap
Okay. If not. Ha 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 ha.
in which case we have a triple
Yeah, I know this one. We're gonna triple check it now. We're gonna append it to the non.
booking. So here we would just
Yeah. Wait, what? Really?
return false.
What? Okay.
If you want to, you can clean this up. I'm basically saying neither of these are true, which could also be written as saying the opposite of both of these are true. So I could do this, get rid of the not and the parentheses, and then change this.
Yeah, let's really change it to this one. Basically, yeah, the end is greater than s. You can say that the starting point was 29, and if end is greater, which is 30, then that means technically the start overlaps with the end, so that means it's false. And now I finally understand this. This shit was very confusing in the my calendar one. Yeah, that video was. I was so stupid there, but yeah. And then this one basically checks if yeah, it's basically another ano, but in another part in which if start is less than e, so 29, then the ending is 30, so 30 is end, and then it will start in 29. That means it's overlapping. That means it's false. And I think this one only checks the overlap. And then maybe, whoa, I think I understand what's leetcode trying to do here. I think he's gonna then check this one, in which he checks if the third one
So this would
is
be that, and
something.
this would be that. This is less readable for me,
Yeah,
so I actually don't do it this way. But some people like the most concise solution.
wait, look up.
So now we will go through the non-overlapping intervals as
Oh,
C
see, we're gonna create another for loop. I know it. For S E in self dot non overlap calendars. And then we're gonna compare it now. I think it's gonna have the same
and self dot
parameters.
non-overlapping, and do the same thing, like check the same
See,
condition. So if these overlap, what
I told you, I know it. I'm built different, bro. I don't know why. I don't that's stupid. Oh my god, I'm built different. I'm just built different.
do we want to do? Well, this is not a triple booking.
We're gonna return
We
true.
just want to get the overlapping
Oh, we put this in the self dot over. Ow!
region, which we can
Really?
get by taking the max of both of the starts and the minimum of
Minimum
both
of
of the
ends.
ends. So this
So
will
that
give
you can create the where's the writing thing? Writing. Uh, man, writing digital. What's that? Drawing. Yeah, draw power. Well. So basically, in his intuition, is getting the maximum of the start. So let's say this is the maximum of the start. Oh, why is this a pen? Wait, it is a pencil. Basically, if you like, uh, basically, is getting the maximum of the start, yung pinakamalaking start. So, saan dito yung pinakamalaking start? Let's say, ito 29, ito 30, 31. Edi 31 yung pinakamalaking start. And then, we're gonna get yung pinakamaliit na ending. Sabihin natin, ito nga yung pinakamaliit na ending. So, actually, let's say 16 to kasi siya lang. Okay. Say this one would be 25. So, dito lang magko-compare yung ano, compare mo yung overlap sa non-overlap. Kaya kung nakapasok yung pangatlo dito, ibig sabihin, false siya. Pero may possibility din na malay mo may ito, hindi pala nakaano. Kung sabihin natin may circle din dito. Porque ano, may possibility din yung dalawa lang dito magka-overlap. Pero yung isa hindi kasali. I'm sorry if it's confusing, but yeah, basically that's about it.
Give us the overlapping region. I'm going to make a
Now let's continue. Get a maximum of S start. And just so you know, SN start, I also don't understand what those shit does. What I think start is the it is your start. I also don't know, but I think this is key value pairs. So if it's oh my god 40, if it's 40, it will get to the end of it's there. Oh, okay, I get it a bit. So basically, this is a pointer. This is the one that stores the value. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And
tuple out of it. And then I'm
oh,
going to take that
tuple.
tuple and I'm going to append
Wait, I don't know what's a tuple. What's a tuple? Tuple. I heard it's basically a list. Tuples are just store multiple items. Ooh, maintain the order of tuples. Oh, no, I don't understand. But let's see. Let's see what World War Three school says. Ah, so you can do whatever the heck you want. Oh, he doesn't care. Oh, it could be anything. It could mix. It's crazy. You're gonna put them in the tuple, and you're probably gonna input it in check, triple check. Bro, this is
it to the overlapping list now. So self dot overlap.
you're gonna. Okay. What I could do it? Oh my god, stuff not over.
Dot append
You can also do this. Triple check. See, I'm just trying to build a
to
different.
the overlapping intervals. So move this to the next line to make it a bit more readable. But after we do that, we don't
See, now it's now in the overlap, so we're gonna repeat this and then
just want to return true. Like we're guaranteed to return true as long as this doesn't execute.
yeah, because we're gonna keep doing this, and yeah, let's go. Return. Oh yeah, not it shouldn't be in the front.
But before we return true, make sure to actually add the given interval to the list. The reason we didn't do that
Yes,
before iterating over this is because we don't want to check if that interval overlaps with
yes,
itself, because that doesn't really mean anything. So here
yes.
we'll say non-overlapping to the non-overlapping intervals. Add this one itself. So
What? Oh, we're gonna add the non-overlapping, the start and the end, but it's not the maximum or the minimum. Basically, you append the what the heck did he say?
non-overlapping to the non. I don't
What
want
the
to
heck
check
did
if
he
that
say?
interval overlaps with itself because that
This
doesn't really
one.
mean
It
anything.
doesn't like.
So here we'll say non-overlapping to the non-overlapping intervals. Add this one itself. So this is the entire code. Let's go ahead and run it. Looks like I'm getting like a parenthesis issue. I don't remember what that's from.
What
Maybe
is
I
this?
need to do this. Oh, I have an extra opening parenthesis. Whoops. Okay, this is
Wait, that's not. Wait, it's not in the loop? No, it's not in the loop. I'm not sure what this does, but cool, bro. Self long overlap calendars. Calendars. Ah, start till end. Yeah, basically, I'm so crazy. Well, basically, you put the non-overlap calendars as number. Well, I think that's I understand. and then you recheck it again with SE. But yeah, this is the end of the for loop, and yeah, it basically gives you the actual stuff after the. Yeah, I don't
This
understand.
is the correct one, and you can
And let's go. It's probably something wrong with it. Let's go. Oh my God. See, I told you there's something wrong. Oh, line 16. What? What's your
see that it works.
problem?
From maybe I need to do this.
Or like, it's correct though.
Oh, I have an extra opening parenthesis. Whoops. Okay, this is the
This should be correct. Oh,
correct one, and
let's compare now. Maybe we have. I knew it. We need to append it as a tuple. Ah, submit. Please work. Ah, let's go. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. This is day 6. Oh, day 7. I don't know. Okay, bye.